Morning everybody and welcome. Now what am I going to try today, you ask? Let's show you. Ed's chili dog. Look at that. Ed's chili dog. With chili beef and nacho sauce. 2 chilies. Microwavable. 3 minutes 30. And what's the nutrition on this? Have a quick look for you. 603 calories a pack for the whole lot. It's quite a lot, that is. Let's open it up and see. Open it up and have a look what it looks like. Oh, got it in it. Okay. To the side. Done. Size of that dog. Size of that. Oh. That must be the chili. It's all frozen. And that must be the cheese. And obviously the bun. Right, how do we work this then? How do you cook this? See? Remove all packaging, place the sauce in a bowl of hot water. Right. Both sauces, is it? Is it both sauces? Yes. Next, place this in a microwavable plate and cook on full power for 1 minute. No, the bun first. 1 minute on the bun. Plate. Now the sausage. Size of that sausage. 1 minute 30. Sausage is done. On the bun. The bun's a little bit tight. It's hot. Very hot. If you do like this sort of content, you can always hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, say what you think. There we go. Chili dog burger. What do you think? Chili dog burger. Good cheese and a chili. Let's take it over to the table and have a taste test. Well, there it is then, guys. Everybody, what do you think? Look at it. Smells lovely. Like cheese, like chili. A big huge dog. It is a lot of calories, 603 calories. I'll say this is from Iceland. So let's have a taste test. Let's cut it in half first. See that? Nice. Let's move that knife out of the way. Put some on. We'll drop some in toe. Let's have a little taste test. This is going to go everywhere. I can see it coming. It's nice, but the bread's gone a bit hard after it's been in the microwave. I'd do the bread last if I was you, because it's gone a bit, tastes a bit stale now it's been sitting. But I'd do the sausage first, then I'll do the chilli, and then I'll do the bread last. It was very nice. Let's have another bit. You can taste the cheese. Cheese is nice. Cheese has got a little kick. But yeah, the bread, it's gone a bit where it's been in the microwave. But yes, I'll definitely buy one again, but I would do the bread last. So, if you like this sort of content, guys, then hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment if there's anything you want me to try. As I say, I'm new to all this. I'm just learning. I will get better as time goes on.